Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show how to make French toast with hot dog buns. It's a fun and easy twist on a classic breakfast, perfect for using up those extra buns. First, gather your ingredients. You'll need 6 hot dog buns, 2 large eggs, 1/2 cup of milk, 1 tablespoon of sugar, 1/2 teaspoon of cinnamon, 1/4 teaspoon of vanilla extract, and 2 tablespoons of butter. Having everything ready makes the process smooth and enjoyable. Now, let's prepare our delicious French toast batter. Grab a shallow dish, like a pie plate, which will make dipping easier. Crack and whisk your 2 large eggs until they are light and frothy. Then, pour in 1/2 cup of milk, add 1 tablespoon of sugar, and 1/2 teaspoon of cinnamon. Finally, stir in 1/4 teaspoon of vanilla extract. Mix everything thoroughly until it's smooth and perfectly combined. With your batter ready, it's time to cook. Place a non-stick skillet over medium heat and melt 2 tablespoons of butter. This will give your French toast a lovely golden crust. Take each hot dog bun and dip it into the egg mixture, making sure both sides are fully coated. Then, carefully place the soaked buns into the hot skillet. Cook them for about 2 to 3 minutes per side until they are beautifully golden brown. Your hot dog bun French toast is now ready to enjoy. Serve it immediately while it's still warm for the best flavor. You can get creative with your toppings. A drizzle of maple syrup, a sprinkle of powdered sugar, or some fresh berries all work wonderfully. This simple recipe yields 6 delicious servings, making it a fantastic option for a quick and satisfying breakfast or brunch. Enjoy your unique and tasty treat.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.